Hey guys, so your package is here that you've been waiting for all day. What do you think?
I don't know.
Are you pretty excited to open it?
Yeah. Yes.
What about you, Nash?
Yes.
He said yes. Okay, you may open it.
Yay.
Okay, look, there's 2 packages inside, so find one with your name on it. Look for your name. Look for your name.
This is mine.
Does it have your name?
Yes. This is mine.
Maddox and Nash. If you need scissors, let me know.
I need scissors.
Okay. Here. Watch out. Watch out. Hold it up for me, Nash. Okay, can you rip that?
Mommy, can you help me too?
Okay, hold it up for me. Watch your fingers. There, rip.
I couldn't open it.
Okay, pull.
Whoa. Whoa.
Hold this camera. Okay, there you go.
Oh, can I have this one?
Well, let's see everything that's in there. What you got, Maddox? Cool. Is that a swim shirt?
Yeah, it's a red one.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
What is this?
Let me see.
What is this?
A little carrot. Wait. Whoa, oh, gosh, that's Bubbles. Jeez.
Oopsie.
Oopsie.
What?
Okay, if you find one of these, don't open it. Did you spill, Nash?
Yeah.
That's okay.
What is this?
Oh, it says Maddox and Nash. What is it? Is it a movie? Epic Mickey.
Is it a Wii? No. Mommy, is it a Wii?
Let me see. It is a Wii game.
What?
This is a Wii game.
What is this?
What's that?
Fly.
Fly. Careful, that's bubble stuff that you have there, Maddox. Wow, there's so much stuff.
Ah. Squishy. Squishy. I got to
Fruit snacks.
I want more.
What's that?
What's that?
Is it a pen?
No, that's it.
What do you think? Hey, get out of Nash's. Okay, now look at the camera because Papa and Dee Dee are watching you right now. What?
Thank you, Papa and Dee Dee.
Nashie, look at the camera. What do you say?
Thank you.
Look up here.
Thank you.
What are you guys going to play with first?
I don't know.
Okay, can everybody say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
No, don't open those yet, Nash. After dinner. Thank you, Papa Dee Dee. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, that's candy.